want to know how I preserve my peppers from the garden? Alright, come along with me. Let me share with you today one of the many ways I preserve my peppers from the garden. As you all can see, I have harvested all these different peppers with different flavors and aroma. I love to mix all of these peppers to make pepper sauce. The different peppers mixed together give my pepper a unique flavor. I have washed all my peppers and cut them to pieces and put them in a blender, blend everything as you all can see. After I blended all the pepper, I preheat 1 cup of olive oil in a skillet and pour the peppers in. I season it with some salt and some of my homemade seasoning, which I have a video on my channel if you guys want to watch it. I let everything cook until all the water is completely dry and then separate the oil and the pepper. Here is my pepper sauce, guys. This is so good. I hope you guys can taste it. I'm telling you guys, it is so good. Actually, I don't eat spicy food, but my husband and my mother-in-law really love this pepper sauce. I hope you all enjoy this video. Thank you all so much for coming back. This is your girl Dixie saying bye till next time.